Hello and welcome to my video today. I'm going to be going over the SolarSky or the OpenSky sunroof calibration. Sometimes you may have an issue with California mode where all of the other windows open up, but the roof doesn't open. Or there may be other times when the roof doesn't open correctly. It needs to be recalibrated. So I'm going to show you the process for that today. First, it's not a bad idea to set the sleep mode in energy to 30 seconds, open the charge port door, get out, lock the car, take the key fob with you and stay away for a bit, and that will put the car in sleep mode. The other thing you could do is the infotainment reset or soft reset, where you press the two inside buttons on the steering wheel for about a minute or so, and then the system restarts. Once that's done, let's go through the next steps. I am going to push the sunroof button, which is this one right here in the very front. It's a slider button that goes back and forth. So right now it's closed. I am going to push it towards the front of the car. And I'm going to hold it right now and hold it there for about a minute or so. You'll notice now that the roof is opening by itself. Now it's going to open up all the way. Keep pressing the button. Keep holding it. At this point, it may open a second time. If that's the case, keep on holding it till it fully opens. And then when the roof fully closes, you can let go of the button. And that should do the reset for the sliding roof, whether you have the SolarSky or OpenSky versions of the sunroof that opens and closes. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.